So is there a TEMU New User glitch where you can get unlimited amount of new users with some sort of hack or glitch and just get infinite amount of money? Well, in this case with TEMU, unless you're some crazy hacker, then there's actually no glitch or method for you to basically glitch the system and just make a lot of money. However, I am going to show you this really awesome method that's almost working as well as a glitch, and it's super unheard of. If you just listen throughout this whole video, you're going to definitely be able to make quite a bit of money with TEMU. So the way this works is I call it the chain effect method. You want to go ahead and go to a TEMU program where they're offering you like cash or free gifts or whatever that is that you want, and then click on invite to get tokens, and then go ahead and click on copy link. So now once you have your specific link copied, you want to go ahead and exit out and then go into any social media where you have a bunch of friends and family members contacted. It could even be number, but in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So now you want to go into a DM of some friend or some family member that you have, and essentially just paste them the link that you just copied over on TEMU. Now you want to make sure that the friend or family member that you're referred to, this is my alt account, you want to make sure that they actually don't have TEMU and they're new to this app. So then you want to tell them to go ahead and install TEMU and make a brand new account. And then once they have made that account, you also want to tell them to refer this exact link to someone else that they know who doesn't have TEMU. And once that other person has downloaded the link that your friend has sent them, tell that other person to refer it to another person. So it's like a chain effect, and then so on. Just keep on repeating that, and then it's going to be an infinite line of chains down the road where you can just earn referral after referral with each person inviting a new person that doesn't have TEMU. Now, if you start this multiple times with multiple lines, for example, you send this to your friend A and friend B and friend C, so you have 3 lines now, and you're telling them to all run the chain down and get more and more users, then pretty much your only work that you had to do is to refer 3 people and tell them to pass it down to new users. And then essentially with that method, you can get pretty much new users infinitely. It's almost like some sort of glitch. So it works really well. And the more chains that you start, then the higher the new users amount will exponentially grow, if that makes any sense.